Hello, graceful fans. Find out how I made this cake. Welcome back to my channel, Graceful Cakes. I appreciate every one of you for your support, for your likes, for the shares, and for watching my videos. I appreciate all your lovely and encouraging comments. Thank you all so much. God bless you for your subscription. Please, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, I will appreciate it if you do that now. Just click the red button that says subscribe, and then I'll be glad to welcome you to the family. Yeah, on Graceful Cakes, you continue to learn beautiful cake decorations. Today, I'm decorating another cake. And it's a round shaped cake, but a two-step cake. So I'm making two-step. The first layer has been covered with a dull color, kind of pink. It's pink, but the dull one. So it's looking very dull, not so bright, but it's beautiful all the same. Then the second layer is what I'm covering right now. And I'm using wine for the second layer, the top layer of the cake. All right, so I'm just smoothing in. I didn't use buttercream to cover this cake first before putting fondant. This is a fondant design. I only just used touches of jam to help the fondant stick to the cake. The reason is that some people don't like the creamy nature of the buttercream on the cake. So for those that don't like it, I prefer to use jam or water for them. So I'm done with the second layer of the cake. You're probably wondering what I'm doing now. I'm just putting some sticks into the middle of the cake to hold the second layer of the cake on it, so the weight of the upper layer doesn't crush the second one, the base. So I put it around it, and then now I'm decorating with different shades of fondant. We have different colors there. I was kind of thinking of what to do with this dull shaped pink in order to bring it out. And that was how I ended up looking for so many colors that will come out on it. And at the end of the day, I just had too many multicolors. But it's all good. Every mistake is a style. Because in the end, it came out beautiful. So, what you see here, you see the green fondant. You see the blue also. I just used it to make a ring around the cake, making it look like what do I call it? Don't know what to call it. But when I saw that the blue and the green didn't come out so well on the pink, I had to add yellow also. And then that came out a little better. So I have different blends. I made this cake for my church birthday for the particular month of August. So it's a combination of male and female celebrating together. So I wanted to have a touch of all the colors. So however it is, all the celebrants, we have a touch of their colors on the cake. Funny, isn't it? But all the same, that was only for the base of the cake. Just for the base. Alright. Yeah, you're probably wondering what I'm using to hold the fondant to the cake. It's just water. Nothing more. But you can actually use sugar paste. Also, depends on you. But I use water. If the fondant is soft enough, you may not even need to add water. It will just stick like that. So when I saw that the yellow color came out brighter and very well on the cake, I decided to add more yellow fondant color to it, you know. So it brought it out very well. You know, that's what happens when you're not given a particular design. You have to be creative and get something out. And I think this was a little creative. What do you think? Tell me what you think in the comments below. Thank you. So I'm almost at the end of the decoration of the first layer of the cake. And now I'm putting the second layer on it. Remember that the weight is already being supported with the help of the sticks inside. And I did a decoration. It's a first time decoration on this upper layer. I also applied it also to the bottom. You know, I cut out some shapes. It's supposed to be a full shape. I've always used it as full shape, but this time around I had an idea to cut it in two. So half of each of it came out very beautiful. It was looking like a crown and then like clouds, like others said, on the cake. So I used it for the bottom of the first layer and the bottom of the second layer. And it's in color white, all fondant. It came out beautiful on the cake and I like it. So I also decided to add it to the top, you know, just taking a sample look at what it will look like. But this time around I'm turning it upside down and it was fine. So I just made it a complete ring around it and it came out beautiful like a crown. I like so many things. Look at it and tell me what you think. What does it look like to you? The white fondant on the cake. What does it look like to you? Drop your comments below and tell me what you think of this cake. I've never seen this design somewhere. It's just creativity. It just came to me as I was working on the cake. I just followed suit. And then the white blend really made it beautiful. If you have any question, just be free to ask me in the comment section below and I'll sure get back to you. Anything that you do not understand, be free to ask and I'll explain it to you as soon as I get your comments. So everything went round and the cake is looking beautiful now. I thought of something for the top of the cake so it won't just be plain, and I decided to make a flower, and then this time around a white color flower and white fondant flower, so beautiful. So that's my flower, just one I need for this. I don't want it to be too busy at the top, so I'm making some leaves, just 3 leaves to balance the flower on. That's how I made my leaf with a grain fondant. When I'm done, you'll see what it looks like. Yeah, I'm using the fork to make the leaf shape, the lines of the leaf on the fondant. Let's see how it came out. Take a look. Doesn't it look like leaf to you? Alright, so now I have 3 of that, and then I just balance my flower on it. Flowers go with leaves, green leaves, and that's beautiful, isn't it? So that's a cake for this week. I hope you like the design. Please let me know what you think. Drop your comments to tell me what you think. Remember to subscribe to this channel, my lovely channel, if you haven't. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again next week. Bye.